This is a Kenmore Model 84, all metal 1.2 amp, basic straight zigzag machine with an automatic buttonholer, and it does use cams. Comes with a full set of 16 cams. It is a tall shank machine. Comes with a button sewing foot, a buttonhole foot, a zipper foot, and some bobbins. Uses class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles. Found virtually anywhere. Just serviced, excellent working condition, good cosmetic condition. Has a few bumps and bruises along the edge and the paint and a little ding there, but other than that it's very nice, lots of shine and reflection. Tabletop ready, or it can be installed into a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case. And check my other listings as I try to keep Kenmore carrying cases available for these machines. They will not fit in a Singer cabinet or case because they do have a longer and more square deck than the Singer machine. It is heavy. It's one of the beasts. Almost 40 pounds. It's very nice and smooth. The manual in PDF format will be sent to you after purchase via email. And right now I'm just doing basic stitches. Now we'll put in a cam. Your stitch width must be on 0 for the cam to work. And of course your length is adjustable. Like this, a ball stitch. Of course there are 16 total cams. Stitches. Take the cam out, and I'm going to sew some heavy-duty fabrics for you. 6 layers of denim. I'm using a size 18 needle right now. Stitches on the denim. And this is 4 layers of woven upholstery with a rubber backing. This is the actual machine that you'll be purchasing that I'm sewing with. This is not just a generic video. This is the machine that you will get. This is 2 layers of suede leather. Of course, if you're going to consistently work on leather or vinyl or other sticky fabric, you're going to want to invest in an even feed foot. It just helps the fabric feed between the feed dogs and the foot to make a consistent stitch. And last but not least, we're going to loosen everything up a little, and we're going to do some delicate nylon. Of course, with delicates, you want to go to a smaller size needle, a 9 or an 11. But as you can see, even with the size 18, it's doing a very nice job. No puckering, no pulling. Nice on the delicate. And that is the Kenmore Model 84.